Hi everyone, I hope guys you're all doing great. It's me Paul guys. Welcome again. Guys, we're having the Dairy Queen Oreo Mocha Fudge Blizzard. And this is new. This is the latest guys. I have the large size and it cost me I got that receipt. Cost me in US dollars, this is supposed to be like $5.89. Up here in North America, it costs $7.89, guys. So this is what it comes here, guys. Check it out. What comes here, guys, is chocolate chips liquor. It has cocoa butter, vanilla extract, brown sugar, chocolate flavor called Fudge. That's what comes in, guys. Long time I don't review nothing from the Blizzard, guys. I like them so much. I've been lazy, I guess, to go get something there. So let me give it a try now. Oh yeah, man. Oh, the fudge is good. Oh yeah. My God. Give me a brain freeze. Oh man. It blends pretty good, man. I know for me it tastes like, let me see. Oh my God, another brain freeze. Oh man. Oh. Wow. It tastes like cookies and cream. Cookies and cream. And then the matcha fudge is very light. It's very super light. And they have a slight flavor of liquor. So, like a chocolate liquor, very light. It's a very light drink. Yeah. What I like the chunks. What I like about this one, it's sweet, it's chunky, not overly sweet, sweet enough, chunky enough, man. Pretty good. Tastes pretty good, man. I'm giving this guy, let's go and give it a 9. It's pretty good, man. Yeah. The only thing I was expecting a little more fudge. It didn't come with that much fudge, but everything else is pretty good. That's why I didn't give him a 10, because of the lack of matcha fudge. Otherwise, I would have given him a solid 10. Anyway, guys, give it yourself a try. This is the new Oreo Mocha Fudge from Dairy Queen. Give it a try, guys. It's pretty good. Take care, guys. How you guys doing, Guys, I hope you're doing great, man. You guys been very quiet. I don't know. I'm still here, guys. You know how it is. Guys, don't forget to check me out also in my music channel, my other channel. I have a video reaction channel, The Polish Show. You want to go ahead and swing by there. You have a song you would like me to react. Let me know in your comments below. Take care, guys. I'll see you around. Bye.